BENFEI continues to refine the essentials of everyday connectivity with its 6-in-1 USB-C hub, featuring an integrated M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure. This is not just another USB hub. It's a smart, space-saving hybrid that merges high-speed data expansion with internal SSD storage, redefining how professionals and creators manage digital workflows. From the first glance, the BENFEI 6-in-1 hub stands out, with its industrial-grade aluminum alloy shell and geometric cooling design, giving it a modern, tech-forward appearance while ensuring optimal heat dissipation. The braided cable feels robust, resistant to wear, and designed for longevity, clearly a product made for heavy daily use. The BENFEI 6-in-1 USB-C hub with M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure is more than a hub. It's a compact, professional-grade productivity center. With 4K at 60 Hz video output, 10 gigabits per second data transfer, 100-watt power delivery charging, and expandable internal storage, it delivers the perfect balance of speed, efficiency, and reliability. Whether you're a content creator, business traveler, or tech enthusiast, this BENFEI hybrid hub stands out as one of the most practical and future-ready accessories available today.